Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and share a file from Canva on an iPad. So you first open the Canva app. Here is the page I want to share. Make sure that you have changed the title. This is the title right here. If you haven't changed it, go ahead and tap that with your finger and you can type in the correct file name. You should name it your first name and the side you worked on. So I put my name and front side. After you do that, you're going to tap on the download button right here in the upper right hand corner and tap send PDF to. And then when you do that, you're going to get this page. Scroll over and find copy to drive. Tap on that. When you do that, it's actually going to ask you to log into your BlastLA. Go ahead and do that. I'm already logged in, and that's why I'm able to just hit save. When you hit save, it starts downloading or uploading a copy of that design. See, mine's right here. Notice how the file name is design 1. We want to rename it so it has your name and the side you worked on, because what I'm going to do is when I print, I need to know what it is or whose file it is. So go ahead and tap on the 3 dots on the side and go to rename, and you're going to rename it your first name, and then you put the side. So mine's front side. Oops, there you go. And then tap on rename. Great. And I'm going to go ahead and find that. Where did it go? If you can't find it, all you have to do is just search for it. There it is. Okay. So now you are going to tap on the 3 bars again so that you can share it to me. Tap on add people and go ahead and type in my email address at BlastLA, not Alliance, because I cannot open files in Alliance. So just tap on BlastLA and then tap on the send button, and that's it. Great, thanks.